Hi, what's up guys? Alexander Bosko, and today I am going to show you guys how to upgrade or replace your SSD drive in your MacBook Pro. But first, I'm going to show you guys on how to create your bootable flash drive, and I'll be right back so I can show you guys on how to do that first before we do this. Hi guys, now I'm going to show you guys how to get macOS Big Sur onto your flash drive. Hey guys, now I'm back. I'm going to show you guys how to create a bootable flash drive. So the first thing you have to do is to format it. So go to Erase. Make sure to select macOS Extended Journal and name this if you want, but I already did it anyway, so I'm going to skip that step. And now go into Terminal. And put sudo first. And then go click and hold this icon here and show in Finder, and do a right click on the install macOS Big Sur application, and go click on show package contents, go to contents, and go to resources, and get the create install media, and back to terminal we go. Do -- volume space slash volumes slash again, and put the name of your flash drive, and now click on and now press on enter. Nope, that didn't work either. So I'm just going to go ahead to fix my flash drive. I am going to rename it. So just going to name it Bosko macOS instead. I'm just going to do that and redo it. Do -- volume space slash volumes slash again, and put in the flash drive name, and now do it. So that works now. So, and now you go ahead to put your Mac password in and enter, and enter Y for yes, and it's going to erase the disk now. It shows here, and I'll be right back when this gets done. Okay guys, now I'm back right here. So hi guys, now that's how you make your bootable flash drive. And now we're going to take the back panel off of the MacBook Pro. So first, you have to shut your MacBook down before you do this as well. And get your P5 pen loops your screwdriver, your P5 Pentalope, and then keep in mind, let me bring you guys in. These two screws right here are the smallest ones. They go in, it goes right here and here. And if you put one of the longer screws in them, it would short the computer and it would damage it. So please keep these two screws in mind. And the rest of them around here are the same exact size except for these two here. So let's begin to unscrew the back. And here's what I'm going to put the screws on. I put each screw on the tape so I know where they go during the disassembly. So now let's begin to unscrew the computer. Here we go. Okay guys, now I'm back. I got the screws off, and now lift the back off very carefully because there's two plastic clips in the middle. So here's what you do. So put your hand here at the vent here, and one right here where the plastic clip is, and lift that up until you hear a click. That means it's coming off. And do the same for the other side as well. And lift the computer towards you like this. And now you're in. So let's grab our toolkit here. Let's grab our spudger so we can disconnect the battery so no power goes into the board. And I'll leave the link to the spudger in the link in the description. But this repair kit is for smartphones and small electronics though. It's not normally for computers though. But I'm using the spudger and the T5 Torx from it, so let me get you guys close so we can disconnect this battery. Before we start to remove the SSD. Okay. So let's bring it close. Gonna bring it over here. And hold on, let me fix that. Here we go. And fold this flap right here. Pull this flap, and here's the battery connector. So do it from both sides to disconnect the battery. Don't lift up on the socket. That will do damage to the logic board if you do that. So you don't want to do that. So go ahead, and now the battery is disconnected, and pull it away so it makes no contact with the connector and the logic board. And so now put on the anti-static wrist strap to make sure that you're grounded. Now I'll turn the computer back over this way, and I'll put these screws to the side, and I'll be right back. Hi guys, now I'm back. I just put my piece of paper with the screws on it. So make sure to grab your anti-static wrist strap. I'll put the link to this in the description. It's from iFixit. And this end right here, put it right here to make sure you're grounded. So it can protect the computer from ESD damage. So, and now get your T5 Torx. It's from this smartphone kit. Get your T5. And I'll put a link to the to a computer repair kit in the description, but not that one, because that is for smartphones though. Got the T5 tip to go in there. And now let me bring you guys in. See that right here? That screw. So let's go ahead to it, take it off. Okay. Let's unscrew it a little bit more. Yep, got it here. Here's the screw. Let me focus on that. Hold on, guys. Here's the screw right there for the SSD. I'll put that to the side now. And make sure don't lose that screw as well. Make sure don't lose that when you're going to put the new SSD in. And when you take this out, be very, very careful and wiggle this thing out. Make sure that you're still grounded to the case. There you go, guys. Here's the SSD itself, right here. Let me focus. Here's the old SSD. I'll put that one to the side. And we got the adapter right here. And the SSD I'm going to use today is the 970 Evo Plus right here. That's the one I'm going to use today. Gonna move the computer up a little bit so I can put the tripod down. And first, I'm gonna fix that to make sure I'm grounded while doing this for you guys. And I've been waiting to do this upgrade in a long time. Here we go. So first, put the adapter in. Into the SSD, where the old SSD used to go. And don't push it too hard, guys. It would damage it, so. And now put your new SSD in. Don't use too much force. Don't force it in. Hey guys, sorry for the freeze frame. So there's something I want to point out. So before you put the SSD in, make sure to connect the adapter to the SSD first before you install it into the MacBook. So, and now let's get back to the video. If you want to know if it's in properly, make sure to see the screw line up right there. That is how you know if the SSD is in all the way. So let's go ahead and put the screw back on. And let me fix that wrist strap very fast. Gonna fix it. Here we go. And then make sure you grab that screw, your T5 Torx screw. Gonna get my T5 Torx onto the screwdriver. And I put it back into that spot as I showed you. Sorry, the camera's not in focus. So let me bring you guys in. And put the screw back on the spot where you took it out before. And don't screw it in too tight. It could damage the computer as well if you put it in too tight. Here it is. The new SSD is in there. Alright guys, now we're going to reconnect the battery. Okay. Press down from both sides. Just like that. Okay, it's ready now. So put that flap back right here. And we're done with that. And all I have to do now is to put the screws back on, to put the lower case back on, so I can screw it back up. So guys, when you lower the case back on, there is two plastic clips, one here and one here. And you put it on like this here, and lower it down gently to make sure it aligns up. And press the two plastic clips down. I'm going to do it again to make sure. Here you go. Now that's in. And press the two plastic clips in the middle until they click. And then I'll be right back to get my screws. Hey guys, now I'm back. I got my screws on the piece of paper right over here. And now I'm going to put the screws back in and I'll be right back. Hi guys, now I'm back. I got all the screws back in. And also keep in mind again, when you put this back together, I'll make sure the two small screws goes right here, as I mentioned before. And all the screws here are the same, except for these two, just to keep in mind. And now, let's flip the MacBook over and plug in your bootable drive. Hold on 1 second, let me get the camera up so I can show you guys what happens if you turn the MacBook on while you have your new SSD in. Here we go. Power on and hold on the Option key. Yep, I have to connect it to power. So let me go ahead to get my power adapter. And sometimes that, when you reconnect the battery, it shows this low battery warning for some reason. I'm connecting it to power right now. Okay, now it's connected to power. So press the power button and the Option/Alt key until this shows up. Okay, you want to click on that. So now we're here at the recovery screen. Well, I'm just giving it 1 moment. Okay, go to Disk Utility. Continue with that. And now it recognizes the drive right here. And now go to Erase. Go select the format APFS. And now let's title this Mac OS 970 Evo HD. I'm going to name it that, and make sure you're on that, or you can choose encrypted if you want to. That's going to put a lock on there. I am just going to do APFS and erase, and it's going to do its thing here. It's done. So now we have to do is to exit out of here. And if you have a time machine backup, restore from time machine. Continue with that. And then make sure you get your backup drive right here, and then make sure you back up before doing this as well. I forgot to tell you about that at the beginning of this video. Continue. And I have the latest version. Hold on. Yep, I do have the latest version. Okay, select your destination right here, and now click on Restore. The disk macOS 970 Evo HD will be erased. Are you sure you want to continue? Erase disk. The file vault encryption will be turned off for macOS 970 Evo HD. Click on OK. And now it's preparing to restore, and I'll be right back when this finishes up. Hi guys, now I'm back, and the time machine failed during the process, so I had to go ahead to install a fresh copy of macOS Big Sur, and I went through this setup process and did the time machine transfer from there. So, and now I'm going to show you guys that the SSD is now installed. Here you go, guys. The SSD is now installed right here, guys. I used to have 128 gigabytes before. Now I have upgraded to 1 terabyte now, and this is how you upgrade or replace your SSD in your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air from 2015 or earlier if you have a MacBook Air 2017 or earlier. So yeah guys, now make sure to leave this video a like, a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and more gaming, and more unboxings and reviews, and more Adventure Time plush videos. And please make sure to subscribe if you are new here as well. And please turn on the upload post notifications so you guys don't miss a video from me every time I upload a video. And now this will be Alexander Bosko now signing off. And peace out guys, bye!